everyone, this is Shravani, BCom General Final Year. I'm going to tell you about annual report. Annual report. An annual report is a corporate document which is disseminated to shareholders, and that spells out company financial condition or company financial position and operations that have done in the previous year. And here mutual funds which is registered also must distribute an annual report to shareholders each year. Up to now we have learned what is an annual report. Now we are going to learn about contents. What contents will be included in this? So first content, general corporate information. General corporate information provides framework for establishment and ongoing management of hierarchy organizations, decisions and activities of the business. And second, operating and financial highlights. It is a multi-year comparison of operations and business metrics. And next one, letter to the shareholders from the CEO. CEOs will write a letter to the shareholders, and this letter will be included in this annual report. And next, narrative text. They'll include narrative text, photos and graphs and etc. And next, such discussions will be also they will be included in this annual report. Here financial statement also recorded, and financial statements means we all know that income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement. So here for this financial statements we need to write summary also. So summary of financial statements. And next one was auditor's report. Yes, we all know that it's a very important for the company, and also this auditor is a backbone of the company, as we all know that. And all these will be concluded with summary of financial data and accounting policies. So this is what the contents will be included in this annual report.